Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone so advanced it practically flies itself. And on the right, we have the Brushless Motor Drone, the budget-friendly option that promises to give you wings without emptying your wallet. Let's dive into the sky-high battle of the drones. Alright, first up, let's talk money. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes in at a whopping $759. Yes, you heard that right. For that price, it better come with a personal butler and a lifetime supply of pizza. Meanwhile, the Brushless Motor Drone is a much more digestible $119. That's less than what I spent on coffee last month. If you're looking to save some green, DJI's got you covered. Now, let's talk weight. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is under 249 grams, meaning no registration is required. It's like the drone version of a VIP pass. No tedious paperwork, no waiting. Just pure, unadulterated fun. DJI, on the other hand, didn't specify its weight, but let's be real. For $119, you're probably not getting a featherweight champion. But hey, if you're willing to fill out a form or two, it's still a solid deal. Camera time. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers real-time aerial footage with 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. That's right, 20 kilometers. You could practically spy on your neighbor's barbecue from the comfort of your couch. Reviewers rave about the 4K 60 FPS video quality and 48 megapixels photos. DJI brings a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. Not bad, DJI, not bad at all. But let's be honest, compared to DJI's 20 kilometers reach, DJI's camera is like using a magnifying glass to watch TV. Safety first, folks. The DJI Mini 4 Pro features omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's like having a sixth sense for avoiding tree branches, power lines, and your neighbor's angry cat. Reviewers appreciate the advanced obstacle avoidance sensors and auto-tracking features. DJI, meanwhile, offers level 4 wind resistance and fast flight capabilities. So if you enjoy playing chicken with the wind, DJI's got your back. Just watch out for those trees, all right? Battery life, the Achilles heel of all drones. The DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts extended battery life for uninterrupted flights. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Reviewers recommend getting the Fly More kit for even longer usage. DJI didn't brag much about its battery, which probably means it's not winning any endurance races. But hey, for $119, you can afford a few extra batteries, right? Some users noted a nearly 20-minute battery life, which is decent for the price. Special features time. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers intelligent tracking with Active Track 360 degrees, customizable flight paths, and immersive flight experiences with DJI goggles. It's like having a drone that's also a personal assistant. Reviewers love the intelligent features and the tutorial app for beginners. DJI offers multiple intelligent flight features like one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. A little bit of everything for everyone. Users appreciate these features but have noted some issues with the app connectivity. Online reviews for the DJI Mini 4 Pro highlight its impressive camera quality, ease of use for beginners, and advanced obstacle sensing capabilities. Users recommend getting extra batteries and a larger carrying case for the best experience. On the other hand, reviews for the Brushless Motor Drone are mixed. Some users appreciate its affordability and decent performance, while others have faced issues with malfunctions and connectivity. Overall, DJI Mini 4 Pro is praised for its high-quality features, whereas FactJank offers a budget-friendly option with some compromises. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Rolls-Royce of drones versus the FactJank Brushless Motor Drone, the reliable, budget-friendly Toyota. If you're looking for top-tier features and have deep pockets, DJI is your go-to. But if you want a fun, affordable drone that gets the job done, FactJank is your new best friend. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Leave a comment below about which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.